Hi, this is Coach David Hallal to my sons part 4. To you, she's a possibility, my sons, to Andy and Samuel, and to all my sons out there. To you, she is a possibility. To her, you are an experience. To you, you're reaching revealed your desire. To her, your reaching expose your weakness. 2 reasons to marry a woman, Andy and Samuel, and to all my sons out there, 2 reasons to marry a woman. How you feel in her presence, how you feel in her absence. Watch her work. Her productivity will explain her. And if you remember in Proverbs chapter 31, the Bible tells you about the perfect woman for a man. Beauty is a door, not a house. She might be one of those women who enjoy to see men go through hard time or suffer. Be careful, that's a better woman. What does she enjoy most? Your assignment or your weakness? Pay attention to these things. And don't be in haste to make your decisions to marry anybody. Don't be in haste. Don't be in a hurry. What the woman you're choosing is matters least. But what she's willing to become, though, matters most. When you discover the other man who excites her, your interests will change. Suddenly and radically. In every woman, you should plant a part of yourself before you plant all of yourself. Remember that. Remember, when you see others that excite her, you will not feel so special anymore. When your words don't matter to her, Andy and Samuel, your pain will not matter to her either. Wise dating is simply keeping the investments equal. Investment in time. When you're dating, when you invest your time, does she invest hers? When you invest your money, is she willing to invest hers? To be married or to have the right woman, to have the right partner, life partner, can bring you the greatest joy. But to have the wrong partner can bring you the greatest pain. Remember that it doesn't matter who the woman is, you are never her only interest. Never forget it. Your inability to inspire the woman that you like or that you fancy is your answer. Your inability to inspire her will be and is your answer. Your queen is whoever inspires you the most. Your queen will not have the tone of an interrogator. She will not talk to you like she's the cop, like she's the popo. Your disrespect will close more doors than 1,000 enemies can close. So respect everybody. Honor everybody. You need a woman who can live with you. You need a woman who cannot live without you. You can calm an angry woman. You cannot cure a bitter woman and an embittered one. And as the world keep advancing and progressing, you will find angrier and angrier women on earth. Your requests are her opportunities. Her reactions are your answer. You respond to her beauty, but you do not respond to her opinion. A wife, the wife of your dream, will be a divine balancer. She will balance between your opinions and her beauty. Her enjoyment of your company does not guarantee she will enjoy your assignment. You will crave her admiration, Indian Samuel. You will crave her admiration if she is the right one. If she is the wrong one, you won't give it. She won't give it. She won't give you her admiration. If she doesn't admire you, that means she's the wrong one. Your joy revealed you saw her possibilities. Your sorrow revealed you discern her probabilities. So you need to pay attention to every single thing that's going on with this woman, since she will be the greatest investment that you will ever make. Investment of time, investment of energy, and definitely investment of a lot of money, a lot of cheese, a lot of money. And when you date this woman, investigate before you invest. Before you invest thousands and millions of dollars, investigate. And make sure that she is the one that you want to do that for, that you want to give to. Do not use your palace to attract a queen. You will always wonder if she really loves you or the palace. If passion, real and kind, arrive in the same package, linger, because it is almost irreplaceable. If she does not discern you, she has not earned you. If she does not trust your passion, she will feel unsafe. If she feels unsafe, she will confide. She will tell. She will confide in another. If she giggled, you are an audience. If she confided, you are a confidant. The difference in men is how often they consult God. How often do they talk to God? So talk to God as often as you need to. Talk to God as often as on a daily basis, every day, every morning, every night before you go to sleep. Talk to Him. Talk to the Holy Spirit. He'll listen. He'll listen. You don't have to be on your knees for Him to listen to you. You don't have to. But God will listen to you because He is a great listener. You understand? So the difference in men is how often they talk to God. Make sure that you choose the right woman, and stay away from the wrong woman. The wrong woman in your life would be the death of you. This is Coach David Hallal talking to his sons, teaching you from A to Z, fearlessly and passionately pursuing his call and his destiny. You have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.